Hello guys, and welcome to another episode on Race&Tune. My name is Vic, and today we're going to show you our first Copart auction car, which is salvaged. It's sitting currently behind me, that will be representing on the channel. So without further ado, let's get to it. So today is Thursday. Yesterday was actually the day when we took delivery of the car. What we're gonna do on this episode is just do a little walk around the car, show you what condition it is in, inside as well as outside, and the primary damage that it was listed with, and we are going to start fixing it. So let's get to it right after this short video.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright guys, so this is a 2012 Toyota Camry in light sky blue, whatever you want to call it. We're going to actually find out what exactly the color's name is later on. So we're going to do a quick walk around the car. Currently has around 129,000 miles on it, and the primary damage is at the front left side. So let me show you really quick. So everything looks good on this side until we reach this point right here. So the driver's side door is not open. I mean, it does click, but the reason why it doesn't open is right here. So this is also damaged. This is part of the impact as well as the fender. The the driver's side fender along with the bumper. And let me open the hood really quick so I can show you. Alright, so at first glance, actually in general, overall, the car does not look bad. We already checked the engine oil. As you can see, it has a pretty decent oil levels, and the color of the oil is also really is acceptable, even though it's due 131,000 miles. So since the driver's side door does not open, I'm gonna open this one right here to show you the interior really quick. No issues with the rear bumper or with the rear end. Just one small cosmetic thing is that this light here is cracked. Nothing is hanging. We just have some nastiness here and forgotten things, but the trunk is overall huge, and it's a big plus that this car comes with a full spare tire. This door also opens fully. The interior though is disgusting. Not sure what happened on these seats. But they look disgusting and they need to be steamed and deep cleaned. There is one cigarette cut right here, burn spot, I mean, right there. Then we have something disgusting on the floor. This is part of the cover. This is part of the undercarriage actually from the front, which will be replaced. The front seat is also super disgusting, the passenger as well as the driver's side. However, they're not ripped. The seats are in good condition. There's just one small burn spot right there. This is completely empty. This is the base model, so it doesn't have the navigation or the big infotainment system screen. However, I forgot to mention part of the damage is right here, and like I said, most of the damage is over here. Like you see, like as you can see right here, the fender is bent inside. This whole fender needs to be replaced. This is out of this is a little bit out on the right hand side. As you can see, this bracket was moved and it's bent to the right. One thing that I was worried about was that under this plastic cover, this whole thing was missing, but it's here. This is actually where the light will go, the headlight, because the picture was taken from the top, so it seemed like this whole thing was missing. However, it is not, fortunately. The wheel has no issues, or the struts, the shocks, they're in really good condition. Nothing was bent or damaged at all. However, one of our concerns is if this door will be fixable, or we'll probably have to replace it because it does have a little bit of rust right here. This fender will be replaced completely, as well as the whole front bumper. And as you can see, that's the skid plate. Not really the skid plate, but if I recall, that plastic piece that's keeping the engine from chips is the underbody plastic cover, and that one is the one inside that I just showed you over there on the back seat is half of that, which also needs to be purchased. But like I said, this door pops but doesn't open due to this dent right here. So after we remove the bumper, the fender and the front bumper, we're going to be we'll be able to open the door. If not, we're gonna disassemble it. So that's gonna be for the next video though. So this is going to be for this video. This is a little bit different content. Like I said, we're planning to have cars rebuilt on this channel, and this is our first one, the 2012 Toyota Camry, the base model. So let us know what you think about the video, and if you would like more of this content. I believe it will be more interesting. So we already ordered the parts, we're just waiting for them, and when they arrive, probably even before they arrive, we're going to disassemble the car, but that's going to be for the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.